Here is your 5-minute relief routine to help back pain. Most of us have recurring back pain, and taking care of it on a regular basis can help keep it at bay. My name's Samira. I've been teaching fitness and movement for almost 40 years. I've been a professional dancer 25 years. I have fixed my own back injuries, which were pretty serious, and I've helped thousands of students with their own back pain and hip pain and more. Let's get started. All you need for this is some space on the floor and a yoga strap or a towel or a belt or something nearby. You won't need that till the second exercise though. Let's go ahead. We're going to lay down on our backs. Lay on your back where you're comfortable. We're going to do a hip flexor stretch. You have 2 hip flexor muscles, and this kind of releases both of them a little bit. Just go ahead and we'll start with our right knee. Go ahead, bring your right knee up toward you. Draw that right knee up toward your shoulders. Don't just think fold towards the floor or your chest. Think up towards your shoulders. You'll feel your lower back go up more. And then just gently, slowly slide the left leg all the way down. So you'll want to hold this for about 90 seconds. And while we're holding it for just a little while in this video, I'll give you a couple tips. Keep your shoulders broad. Keep your neck long. Remember, this is actually about getting your lower back to the floor. You are trying to lengthen a muscle that attaches at your lower back. It goes down through your hip and it attaches at your left inner thigh. So that's where we're lengthening here. Relax those shoulders and take slow, deep breaths. And then we'll do the other side. So place your right foot down, bring your left knee up, and I'll just give you some pointers. We're not holding them for the whole time, but I am giving you the guidance of what to hold and what to look out for and how long to hold it. So you're going to draw that left knee up, broaden your shoulders, gently ease the right leg all the way down. Always be kind to your body. So take your time and be patient as you move. Let yourself ease into a stretch. Now, if you notice your right knee is up and it won't go down, straighten your arms a little, lower your left leg. Get that right leg all the way anchored down. Keep the right leg anchored down and then gently ease the left knee up towards you again. Only as far as you can keep that right leg anchored down. That's how you're going to feel more stretch through here. Think about how much we sit in everyday life. So these muscles through here get shorter and they get tighter. We want to lengthen them. We also want to strengthen them. That's a subject for my emails, for my classes, or for one of my next videos that you can watch. Let's go ahead and move on to our next stretch. Our next stretch is a piriformis stretch. You need your yoga strap for this, yoga strap or a belt or something like that. Let's start with a yoga strap behind your bent left knee. With the strap behind your knee, you're going to put that foot down on the floor. Keep your left foot on the floor, pick your right leg up, cross your right ankle over that left thigh, and just relax here. So you want to feel the stretch deep in your right glute hip area, that's your piriformis muscle, or down the right leg, that's your IT band. So you want to feel that. If you don't feel it, let's try a couple options. You can move that right knee over the left hip and press it away. Motion is lotion. If you still don't feel it here, some may, some won't. If you don't feel it here, then you're going to do the more classic version. Use the yoga strap to draw your legs up towards you. Let's not let the legs fall over to the right. You won't get as good a stretch that way. Keep your left leg in line with your left hip. You'll get a better stretch on the right side. We want to do this for about 60 seconds on each side. So let's go to our other side. Yoga strap behind the right leg. I promise I'll give you different pointers on this side. Yoga strap behind the right leg. Cross your left ankle over. Relax those shoulders. Let's all keep the right foot down, but move that left knee in and out. Mobilizing your hip at different angles helps keep that back pain away. Press the left knee away, stay here in modified, or draw your legs up toward you. If you are more flexible, instead of curling your butt off the floor to give yourself more stretch, because that's putting more pressure on your lower back, we're definitely trying to avoid that. Shift your legs over toward the right a little bit more. So again, you want to hold this about 60 seconds on each side. These muscles you do also want to strengthen, and you can watch more of my videos on YouTube. You can join my email list below or take one of my classes. They are online, and I teach strengthening in those as well. Now let's go on to our next stretch, which is a hamstring stretch. We'll start with the right leg. You're going to put your right foot up into the middle of your strap. Now, I'm flexible enough where I have my strap folded in half, but that's not the case for everyone. So let me fix this. Put your strap, the middle of your strap, around the ball of your foot. Start with the right leg away from you and find where you can have a hinge in your hip and a hinge in your ankle, but no hinge in your knee. Keep your knee extended, but not hyperextended, and maybe gently find a little more hinge in your hip. You can keep the left knee bent. You get a more thorough stretch for more of your lower back and hip area if you have the left leg gently straight. So find where it's comfortable for you. Try this for about 90 seconds on each time. Keep your breathing deep, comfortable, and slow. You are trying to lengthen from above your sit bone if you were standing, down the back of the leg, through the back of the knee, all the way to the calf. So you're trying to lengthen there, not trying to bend your knee at all. Let's do the other side, and I'll give you more pointers. First of all, the easiest way to switch is to pick up the other foot and sneak it behind the other foot. Important pointers help you be more efficient, also known as lazy, with your stretching. Relax your shoulders. Again, you want the hip hinged and the ankle hinged, but no hinge in any direction in the knee. You can have that right leg all the way down and just relax. So tight piriformis, tight hip flexors, tight hamstrings, those are three really common contributors to lower back issues and to back pain. We've just taken care of those today. This should take you less than 5 minutes at a time. And for many more pointers, watch my next video or join my email list below. See you again soon.